So, welcome. In this week's episode, we will teach you how to be more hygiene in festival areas.
Yes.
The only bad thing about the festivals is
The yucky toilets, the bathrooms,
the
porta potties.
They have usually very much shit and piss all over.
And smell.
And it is, for a girl, you have to be like this, but it is not always fun. You want to be comfortable while you're doing your thing. Today we will show you 2 different styles how to make a shewee. Shewee is some kind of device you put here and then you can pee.
Like a man or a dude.
Standing up or boy.
Yes. I will do it with a bottle.
And I will just find out what I do here. I have here some bad photos. They are for my Berlin trip once. They're all bad photos. I don't want to frame these. And these are good because they don't
absorb the
They
water.
don't absorb the moisture. So I will start with these 2 photos.
I will make a hole here and it will become a very, very good shewee.
And by the end of this video, we will show you how this works.
How very exciting stuff.
This is so exciting. So, here is the actual thing that comes between the legs. Okay.
This is where you put the vagina. I think mine is gonna be much better because hers is you can only use once. This you can carry around the whole festival.
As you see, I have created here a wall, so you can pee backwards. Like so. Then you put here, something like this.
And now we make it pretty so you can wear it in the festival.
Here is mine.
I think that's gonna work wonderfully.
I think so too. Should I make handles? Yes, I make handles here.
Very sharp edges, but it will keep you awake when you're at festival.
If you cut yourself in the hoo-ha, you will
Yes.
not fall asleep anytime soon. So now you go. Oops, wrong side. I don't want to pee on backside. Like this.
If you wanna keep a small part of the pee inside the bottle, you can keep the cork. And it is done. You just put it.
So if you are in the car, you
Yes.
can keep the cork sealed.
Now it's done.
This is also for men because it's so industrial. If you don't want to aim yourself, you can lie your dick in this one and then it can just relax downwards.
Well, you can use this if you're a guy as well, because you just put it there.
So girls and boys, let's see how these work.
Yes.
What you say?
Well, here is the place I'm going to be in. Hope you enjoy.
Ootan nyt hetki, mä laitan tätä hametta vapaaksi.
Tipa, älä kuvaa nyt.
So final thoughts.
I think this will be very good because I really have to pee right now. So why not do it